Hi everyone. So welcome to our counting and probability chapter 1.2, counting with addition and subtraction. Today we are going to introduce a very important skill in counting and probability, which is the Venn diagram. What is a Venn diagram? A Venn diagram is a diagram that can help you to count one or two or more overlapping groups. So let's give an example. Like this is a Venn diagram, and there are 5 people in our class, and 5 people in our class. Three people like cat, and 4 people like dogs. I want to ask a question that how many people in the class like both dog and cats? Now we are using our Venn diagram. There are 3 people in the left. We put the number in and we say these are people who like cats, and there are 4 people over here, which is people who like dogs. So we add them up, we realize there are some parts that are overlapping. 3 plus 4, there are 7 people, but we only have 5 people in our class. That's the problem. So we realize there are some parts that are overlapping. So how many people are overlapping? So we use 7 minus 5 equals to 2. And 2 is the amount of person who overlap, which is over here, 2. So actually, there are 2 people who love both dogs and cats. And we want to prove why is it right. We plug it back. So 2 people who love dogs and cats, and so there are 3 minus 2 equals to 1 people who like only cats. And 4 minus 2 equals to 2, which is the amount of people who like only dogs. And we add them up, 2 minus 1 minus the person who like both dogs and cats, which is 2, equals to 5. So 5 is the amount of people in our class. So the proof is done. So this is the Venn diagram, the simple version. And let's see a question from AOPS book 1.7. At Brown High School, there are 12 players on the basketball team. All of the players are taking at least one foreign language class, and the school offers only Spanish and French as its foreign language class. 8 of the players are taking Spanish, and 5 of the players are taking both languages. How many players are taking French? So let's draw our Venn diagram over here. So 12, we mark it here, 12 people in total. And eight of them are taking Spanish, and 5 of them are taking both languages. 5 is here. So the 8 people is including the 5. So we want people who only speak Spanish, so we use 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So how many people remaining, which is the people who take French, right? So we just use 12 minus 8, which is 4, which is the people who only take French, which is here. So how can we prove it? Whether our answer is true. So we add the people who only speak French, only Spanish, and plus the people who only speak Spanish, which is 3. And add a number who both speak Spanish and French. So in total, there are 12 people, and we're right. So this is the Venn diagram.